To blacken a steak, first choose a steak that is 3/4 inches thick or 2 centimeters thick. New York strip steaks or ribeye steaks work the best. If your steak is frozen, make sure to defrost it in the refrigerator overnight. Next, mix up your Cajun rub. You can buy Cajun seasoning or make your own by combining 1 1/4 teaspoon, 23 grams of salt, 1/2 tablespoon, 3.5 grams of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon, 1.6 grams of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon, 0.9 grams of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon, 2.3 grams of white or black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, 0.4 grams ground thyme, 1/4 teaspoon, 0.5 grams of oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon, 0.5 grams of celery seed. Whisk together your seasonings and rub them onto both sides of your steak. Then let it sit for 20 minutes. While it's sitting, prepare your grill. Place one side on very high heat and the other side on low. Spray the low heat side with a little cooking spray. Place your cast iron skillet on the hot side of the grill and allow it to heat up for 20 minutes. While it's heating, gather a tong and plate for your steaks. Then place 1 tablespoon, 14 grams of butter on one side of each steak. Once your skillet is heated, carefully set the steak butter side down into the hot skillet using tongs. You don't want steaks to touch while they are blackening, so cook your steaks one at a time if your cast iron skillet isn't very large. Let the steaks cook for 4 minutes and then flip them over to cook for an additional 3 minutes on the other side. When they have reached a nice blackened sear, move the steak to the cooler side of the grill. Keep them on this side until they've reached your desired doneness, flipping them every 2 minutes. If you like your steak rare, you can start to rest it immediately after blackening. Place the steaks on a plate to rest. Cover the plate with tin foil and turn off your grill. You can serve the steaks after they have rested for 10 minutes.